frightened to death.
No, you're dying to do it, aren't you?
Oh, I am. Loving it.
No, actually, she's a good sport, because she's a little bit nervous, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
But you'll be all right,
Yeah.
because, you know, I've been doing this for years, and I've never lost anybody yet.
Haven't you?
No. Well,
Not
not,
the first time, you know.
well, not properly lost them, you know. Can we have that bar-in, please? Linda, what I'm going to do is to ask you to get into the paper bag. Now, obviously, it would be a bit undignified to try and scramble over the top. So what we're going to do is to hoist you up and drop you... Well, not drop you, I mean drop you... Yeah, figuratively. Don't look at me like that, you make me nervous. And look, if this goes wrong, you won't nag me, will you?
I don't promise that, David.
All right, love. Hold it that way, because it looks more professional. Right. If you hold it that way, you fall off, you see. So, hands the other way. That's right, darling.
Right.
And bless you for helping me. Lift your legs up. I'll steer you in. Don't worry about a thing. Leave me to do the worrying. And that's right. Now, lower her in. And that's it. It's full of toffee, so you can...
Oh, I like toffee.
Help yourself to a 5-penny
Jolly
piece.
good.
Pick out the good piece. We don't need that anymore. Crouch down, me darling, and make yourself at home. And Eddie, your partner over there, one of your partners, is going to help me tighten it up. And please don't worry.
It's a bit dark in here, David.
Yes, I know it's a little bit
My
dark.
mummy told me not to do things like this, you know.
Well, look, you'll only have to do it once. That's one consolation, Linda. Now, we're going to tie the top nice and tightly, Eddie. Thank you very much indeed. Get that nice and tight. And let's take the scenery away. And I want to show you an interesting piece of apparatus. Lads, could we have the other piece of apparatus in? It's a stagehand. Right, swing it down, buddy. Swing it down for me. That's great. If you can swing it around, because Linda has been absolutely marvellous. I think she's been very, very good, that girl. And I think the least we can do is to give her a big hand. Let's give Linda a big hand. That's it. And one for luck. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Linda, that wasn't meant to happen. Oh, dear. Linda, where are you?
Where am I? David Nixon, just you wait till I get you.
You don't mean that, darling, do you? Oh, I can make it all right with you. Oh, I know how to deal with people like you, Linda. Have that, darling. Help yourself.
Well, you are awful, David.
Yes?
I like you.
Oh. Oh, you must come again. Thank you, Linda. Thank you very much. Thank you, Janet. And thank you, Little and Large. And thank you, Kabari. And thank you for the 5-penny piece. Linda, many thanks. See you about the same time next week. I hope so. See you then. Bye now.
Janet Brown is now appearing at the Allenson Theatre Club, Liverpool.